Kettering, Ohio contains a large number of parks for fun activities. The Kettering complex is a notable venue and makes Kettering a truly family-oriented city. At All City Adjusting, we've worked for Kettering residents for the past 15 years, helping them get the most out of their insurance claim settlements. As a Kettering Public Adjuster, we represent people that want a fair offer from their insurance company, people that have been lowballed or denied entirely, people that are angry with their insurance company and frustrated with their insurance claims process. I want you to keep watching because one of our clients was offered only $350,000. We got him over $650,000 for his commercial fire loss. And here is how we did it. In 2019, one of our clients suffered major fire damage to his commercial building. Let's call him John. John was given a low ball offer. So you may be asking yourself, well, what's a low ball offer? Well, John was offered $350,000 for the fire damage to his building, which is right behind me. Now, you may be thinking, that's a lot of money. But in reality, every contractor said it was not enough to repair even half the damage. John realized something didn't make sense. He believed that his policy should pay for all the damage. Because John was lost, he turned to All City Adjusting. Hi, I'm Andy Gerchek, CEO of All City Adjusting, where we specialize in recovering max settlements for the insured. When we settled the claim from John, he went from $350,000 to $650,000. The reason for this difference is the time and attention that All City Adjusting brings to the claims evaluations process. So if you or someone have suffered damage to your home or business, whether it be from fire, water, storm, or any other covered peril, don't wait. Call now. See how much more we can recover for you. And remember, don't settle. Get more.